Alright guys, I am literally sitting in my bed while I am filming this one. It's going to be my July meal plan, and I have shown you guys this before, but all I do is I have all of my cooking stuff in here, and then if I flip, these are all my meal plans for each month, and I actually started doing it for this year in March where I showed you guys. So I've got March, April, and then my June one is here, but I also have this little sheet. It's my cheat sheet, and it tells me all of our easy meals. I just kind of add to these lists whenever I think of some, or if we have new meals that we try and we love. So I have easy meals, our favorite skinny meals, our favorite meals, and some crock pot meals that we love. And then on the back, I will add new meals to try if I find any, but I also pin a bunch on Pinterest, and they're always at the top of my Pinterest list on my recipe board. So I go look there while I'm meal planning as well. Okay, and I said that wrong. This was May, sorry. And then I have June here, and then the next month is going to be July. So really quick, I'm gonna fill this out and then show you what we're having. Alright, now it is all filled in with the dates, and then the next thing that I'm going to do is use my planner to put in any of the things that we already have going on, any of the events, so I kind of know what to plan for that evening. So sometimes we might need a really easy meal if we're doing something and we have a busy evening, so I'm going to fill those in really quick. Alright, so those are all the events. On this night we're going to be eating on the boat and watching the fireworks, and then Amelia Island vacation for us, and then on this day we have Gracie June's birthday party during the day, and then here we'll be doing Gracie June's birthday dinner, so wherever she wants to eat for her birthday, we'll do that. Alright, so usually I show you guys while I'm filling this out, but I went ahead and just filled it out so I can quickly tell you what we're doing, and it'll just make it a lot faster. Alright, so I'm going to tell you guys about the events first, since that's what I filled in. So the day that we're doing fireworks on the boat, we usually just go get chicken tenders from Publix, and then we'll bring like some chips or snacks or whatever else. And then on Gracie June's birthday party day, we'll probably just have leftover pizza because that's what we did with Kason. And then on her actual birthday, I put out to eat because that's where we're going to be going out to eat. And then while we're gone, we'll be eating at the hotel. Alright, and then I'm going to explain my Fridays. I usually tell y'all this every time, but usually every Friday we do pizza, so that's pretty easy. But this day we're not going to do pizza because we have it for her birthday party. So I just did something super easy for the night before her party, and we're just going to do a rotisserie chicken salad. And I usually just go get a rotisserie chicken from either Publix or Kroger, and then just a bagged salad, whatever we feel like for that day. And then Saturdays are usually pretty easy for us too because we try to grill. And so I always plan something to grill on Saturdays. So we're going to do burgers here. And then I found a recipe on Pinterest for a grilled shrimp boil where you just put it in like aluminum foil and you grill it on the grill. So we're going to try that. And then on Sundays, I have a bunch of different meals. Sometimes we eat with Chance's parents, so a lot of times if we already have something planned, it gets nixed if we're eating with his parents, but it's fine because we usually have that either on a different night during the month, or we'll save it for the next month and put it on that meal plan. But so this first Sunday, I just did something that we already had since I haven't gone grocery shopping for any of this other stuff. And so we're just going to do some grilled chicken and vegetables because I know we have some veggies in our freezer. Alright, and then the next Sunday we're doing spaghetti, and then I decided to go ahead and make two so that we can eat the second one on the last Sunday of the month, and that'll make it easy for us that week. Alright, and then on Mondays, I try to do something that's pretty easy, like a crock pot meal or something like that. So the first Monday, I found this shrimp and broccoli stir fry on Pinterest that looks really good, so I want to try that. And then the next week, we're going to do slow cooker balsamic glazed roast beef. The next one will be baked lemon butter tilapia. The next one, it's not as healthy as what we're trying to do, but it's crock pot beef stroganoff, and I'm hoping I can find a healthier version of this. And then the last Monday, we're gonna do barbecue chicken in the crock pot. All right, and then tacos are always on Tuesdays. So some weeks we will do beef, some weeks we'll do chicken, and then some weeks Chance and I do shrimp tacos, and then we have the kids eat beef tacos. So that's really easy for us to plan. And then on Wednesdays, we try to do something that's big enough for us to eat the next day as leftovers so that we don't have to think about anything on Thursdays. So this first Wednesday, we're gonna do honey sriracha meatballs, and we actually did those. I had it on the menu last month, I think, but we didn't end up doing it, so I moved it to this month. So we'll have leftovers on Thursday. This one, we're gonna do Italian sheet pan veggies and chicken, and I'm just gonna make sure we don't cook too much because we will be leaving the next day, so we won't need any leftovers. And then the next Wednesday we'll do meatball subs, and we always have tons of leftovers when we do meatball subs, and we just cook the meatballs on the stove, and it's so good if you haven't had them before. It's a really quick and easy meal, but we'll have leftovers the next day. And then also with the meatball subs, the cool thing about that is if you are trying to cut carbs, then you can just do the meatballs with a little bit of like mozzarella cheese on top or whatever kind of cheese you want. And then the next Wednesday we're gonna do salsa fresca chicken, and we'll make enough to make sure that we have some leftovers. All right guys, so that is my meal plan for July. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will leave a picture of this meal plan on my Instagram account, so make sure you're following over there. And I will also leave a bunch of these recipes down in the description box. I know a lot of times you're asking me for some of these recipes, but I always put the ones that I find on Pinterest or other blogs or wherever down in the description box in case you guys want to try these recipes too. Alright, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!